68 years of non-stop hiccups. Charles Osborne holds the record for the longest hiccuping spree, starting in 1922 and inexplicably ending in 1990. Imagine battling an uncontrollable reflex every single day for decades, an astounding 430 million hiccups. This bizarre medical mystery baffled doctors and disrupted Osborne's life, yet he carried on farming and raising a family. Despite trying countless remedies, the hiccups persisted, making his story a testament to human endurance. What caused this relentless bout? No one knows for sure, but Osborne's incredible journey remains one of the most extraordinary tales in medical history.